My passion is to make a positive impact on people's lives who are suffering and just make sure they have like optimal support. So far throughout our program, we learn the basics of anatomy and physiology, to physics, to the basics of respiratory care. Right now we're dipping into like critical care, so now we're getting into like ventilation, and we went over like breathing treatments and how to like really help people who are suffering or sick or can't breathe. I'm in Zeta Phi Delta sorority on campus, so we really get involved with just on-campus activities as well as off-campus activities, and it really allows us to become one with like the entire community and the whole campus. After college, I would hope to be a respiratory therapist working in a hospital, specifically in the NICU. I do want to travel when it comes to the healthcare, but I'll just see where life takes me. The faculty here at Marywood are very loving and helpful and just want everything best for us to succeed.